Hi, my name is Sukumar Tripura, and I have been working in this Safe Eco Private Limited, Safe Eco Organic Private Limited, and today I'm going to represent the products, a veterinary product, because I gave the farmer to use the product, and so now let's get start. Take the feedback. Hi. Upah na product po na mga hamon mo na mansak na manik asam
May kamus tum kamus kat dimapui ay kamus tum
jam sintum na
ang katu makan mansak lahi tan tumin dai kan mansak katu poila tu ati kan balak kale kan balak tahan pona tu ahong dia tu biskiji ukai dai
How result? What is the result?
Awon mo na man asam
asa
alien
alien
ansan na red na
ansor
कितना दिन हो गया?
nituk mo na man gay mapu
ini hap pula di kele mansak na tu aboy tu tan tumin dai kai balak tu.
Okay.
as we can say that he has been using this product for the last 2 weeks, and now he is getting result, and it is very amazing result he have got, and we can say that the product is working, and it is very good product, he said.
Okay. Thank you. What is the day?
Today is 13th of October.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thôi